Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys the proper way to repost your TikToks to Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels if you're into that. And basically just by making one video, you can like 10x your exposure from that one video. So I'm going to give you guys a full tutorial on the proper way to do that. All right, so I actually have to repost one of my TikToks right now, so I figured I'd just show you guys how I do it in real time. All right, so here we are in TikTok, and now I'm gonna choose a post to repost, and then we'll take it from there, so bear with me. So I'm gonna market this, sorry, should have turned the volume down, this Penticton pre-sale condos thing on my Instagram, and I'm gonna put it on my YouTube. So you're gonna go down to these three dots, you're gonna copy the link like I just did, and the reason why we're doing it this way, see, because you can save video. You see the save video button there at the bottom? You can hit save video and it will download this. But the problem is, here, I'll show you what the problem is. So as this is downloading, I'm gonna copy the link. But what happens when you actually download this video instead of do what I'm about to show you is, you'll see now it has the TikTok watermark on the side of the video there. And what that watermark is gonna do is if you try to put this on any other platform, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever it is, that algorithm will instantly kill your reach because Instagram doesn't want to be flooding its feed with TikTok's crap, right? So what you're going to do instead, now that I've copied the link, you're going to go to snaptic.app. Okay. You're going to paste it here and download it. Snaptic, essentially what it does is it just removes the watermark that TikTok puts on it. You're gonna go download HD, otherwise the audio lags and like your mouth doesn't catch up with the audio. So if you hit the HD one, you have to watch like a 15-second ad, but everything will line up nicely and it'll get rid of that watermark for you. So hit the download button. Okay, now we've got it downloaded here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, save this video. And now we've got the video here without the watermark. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my Instagram just to show you guys. Although I usually don't post marketing stuff on my Instagram, today I'm gonna do it. Penticton pre-sale condos on the water. Shoot me a DM. Shoot me a DM for more info. And then I have just like a bunch of hashtags here that I usually use. Copy. All right, add location, Penticton, okay? Actually, let me hear this one real quick. Okay, so that's a post, right? So that's gonna post. Now I'm actually going to triple up the exposure here, and I'm gonna go to my client YouTube account where I use it to attract clients. And I'm gonna go ahead, oh, that's the watermark one. Oh, that's the watermark one again somehow. So here we are. So I'm gonna take the video now and I'm gonna post this on YouTube Shorts. Like so. And I'll actually give you guys a hack for YouTube Shorts as well while we're at it. I used maximum 3 hashtags on here, right? So posting on YouTube, you want to be like, you want to start with an emoji so it's very clickable and marketable, and then you'll be like Penticton pre-construction. I call them pre-construction on YouTube because nobody searches pre-sale for some reason. Pre-construction condos from the high 300Ks. Okay, now that's pretty easy to click on. What I might even do, pre-space construction, right? And then I'm gonna go Penticton, Kelowna, Vancouver real estate. Location, Penticton. Okay, upload. And it's that easy, guys. So I highly recommend all of you utilize TikTok. TikTok is the easiest app to shoot in, I found, like in terms of their user interface and the way you can edit videos and all those things. So I shoot everything in TikTok, download it from there, repost Instagram, repost on YouTube Shorts, and you should be reposting on Facebook Reels because the reach on there is really good. I am just so active on so many platforms already. I know if I try to add that in, I just won't be consistent, but Maybe you don't like YouTube Shorts. Use Facebook Reels, right? Like, it's pretty hard to be active on more than 3 platforms. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure you watch this one. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.